Hi friends, my name is Kim. I'm a senior artist and beauty class facilitator for Sephora 5th Avenue in New York City. And today I'm joined by some of my beautiful Sephora buddies, and we're going to try out the new Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Stunna Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Lip Color in Uncensored. What we love about this new product is that we're all totally diverse. We're all totally different. We have different vibes, different looks, and different styles, but this product is truly universal and looks awesome on each and every one of us. So if you want to see how we like to apply our liquid lip by Rihanna, stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved the uncensored lip paint on all of us, and please let us know how it looks on you too. We want to know how you love it. If you like this video, please like us and leave a comment below, and please subscribe to the Sephora YouTube channel. They do awesome videos pretty much all the time, so you can always learn something new. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.